Hello guys. Welcome to my first engines of Metrolink video. Today we will be talking about the f59ph. But first, what is an f59ph? Well, for you oldies and young rail fans, Metrolink was a company founded and made in October 26, 1992. The first Metrolink service begins Metrolink offers 3 routes as alternatives to freeway congestion in busy transit corridors: the Ventura County line, the San Bernardino line, and the Santa Clarita line, which will become the Antelope Valley line. The Metrolink f59ph came with Bombardier by levels with a cab car with a whistle-like horn. Here's a few examples. The f59ph was equipped with a Metrolink P2 and K5 law, or a mixed cast P2 law. Things was going great at first, but they started to have problems, and then
well, once as every train lives, they will always fail. But the f59phs will always leave a history watermark on the Metrolink history book.
Thank you for watching this video. This is my first Engines of Blank video inspired by Amtrak Guy 365 series, The Engines of Amtrak.